Demystifying Demonstrative Adjectives, Pointing with Words. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on adjectives. Today, we're going to delve into a specific type of adjective, demonstrative adjectives. These are words that help us specify and point out which noun or noun phrase we're referring to in a sentence. They make our conversations and writing more precise and interesting. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. Demonstrative adjectives are unique because they identify or single out one or more nouns or noun phrases. These adjectives are this, that, these, and those. Remember that demonstrative adjectives always precede the nouns they modify, and they give us specific information about the distance of the noun from the speaker. This and these refer to items close to the speaker. This is used with singular nouns and these is used with plural nouns. That and those refer to items farther away. That is used with singular nouns and those is used with plural nouns. Here are some examples. 1. Can you pass me this book? 2. That car over there is mine. 3. These apples are delicious. 4. I love those shoes you're wearing. Now that we understand what demonstrative adjectives are and how they work, it's time to put that knowledge into practice. It's important to use these adjectives in sentences to get the hang of it. Let's try some together. 1. This painting is exquisite. 2. These songs remind me of my childhood. 3. Can you tell me where that building is? 4. Those cupcakes look scrumptious. Even though demonstrative adjectives are pretty straightforward, there are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't mix up the singular and plural forms. This and that are used with singular nouns, while these and those are used with plural nouns. Remember the correct usage based on proximity. This and these are used for items close to the speaker, while that and those are for items farther away. And there you have it. You've now mastered the basics of demonstrative adjectives. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using these new words in your daily conversations and writing. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Until then, happy learning.